There seems to be online a lot of their colleagues watching today, so if ever there's a day where you don't want a crime to happen in San Antonio, it's today. They're all busy watching the UAE SWAT challenge. Now, I've been informed that the Royal Thai Police A team, even though coming in 2 minutes 50.16, had a 30-second time penalty, so that bumped them down a little bit, which is such a shame because they were so quick. Second quickest team of the day, the Royal Thai Police A, after Sada, but they too picked up a penalty, only a procedural penalty, which is 10 seconds. Three down, four down, five, one more. 6. So no penalties so far for the snipers. As the assaulters go under the ping pong table into the pistol pen. Texas Star is done. They can move along into the box and start dispatching those 32 white discs. Remember, they're not allocated, so they can knock them off as they please. The assaulters are done, the snipers have done, but as you can see, they've left 2 minutes worth of targets out there on the range. That's going to cost them. The master, the rappel master, just making sure it's safe whilst he gets his OJ gloves on. مشكلة. It's just not clipping in. Remember, those safety guys in red will not let him go unless they're happy that he's properly clipped in. Now they can run for home. And across the line for the first of the snipers. Where is the second sniper? He too having issues getting locked in. Now he's down. The Special Operations Group of Jordan. Finish. He too sprints for the line. And they cross in 6:18.5.